this video, we're going to talk about creating a price rule. First, click Inventory in the left menu, then click Price Rules. In the top right, click Create Rule. Any field in red is a required field. First, select what rule type you want to use. There are 5 different options. For more information about these different options, check out our article on types of price rules. Every rule requires a name, so make sure you create one. Make it something descriptive so that you'll recognize it later. The description is optional in case you want to remember what you created this discount for. If you only want a discount to run for a certain period of time, you can select a start and end date. If you select a start date but no end date, the discount will continue to run until you manually turn it off. You have the options to select if the discounts are available at all locations or just specific locations. If you don't want certain tiers to get the discount that you've created, select them here. By default, none will be selected. If you want a discount to only apply when a coupon is entered, click this option and then create the coupon code. This coupon code will need to be entered during the sale in order for the customer to get the discount. If you want the coupon to print on a receipt, then select this option here. If you don't want the loyalty program to apply to the discount you've created, click here. If you want to deactivate a discount, uncheck this box so it is no longer active. Here you can select the different items, item kits, categories, and tags, as well as any manufacturers that you want this discount to apply to. Everything that you select here will be included. For example, maybe I wanted the categories for miscellaneous clothing and shoes to get this new discount. I then get to determine the percent or fixed amount off that apply to this discount. If there's a specific number of times that I want this discount to be used in a sale, I can uncheck unlimited. Now I can select how many times it can be used in one sale. For example, maybe you have a 3 for 2 price going on. If you only want customers to be able to use that once, no matter how many items they buy, you would put 1 as the maximum allowed for sale. This means even if the customer bought 6 items, they would not get it for the cost of 4 items. It would only apply to the first 3, and the other 3 would be at regular price. To go back to unlimited, simply click the box. The percent off and fixed amount off is determined by which type of discount you chose. If you go back to the top, you'll see that selecting Buy X, Get Y Free, the BOGO option, will change the display down below. Instead, you enter the amount that you have to buy, let's say 3, in order to get 4 items. The 4th item will be free. If you select Mix and Match, that means that your items don't all have to come from the same category. For example, if you had selected shoes and miscellaneous, your 3 items could come from either of those categories. If you uncheck Mix and Match, that means all 3 items either have to come from the miscellaneous, or all 3 items have to be shoes. When you're done with your price rule, click Save. You can edit a price rule at any time by simply clicking Edit next to it. If you no longer want a price rule, click next to it and then click Delete. And that's how you create price rules.